Shiny Purrloin! Shiny Purrloin! Oh my gosh, Shiny Purrloin! Yes! Yes, Shiny Purrloin! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, a Shiny Purrloin! Oh my gosh, yes! Oh my gosh, hold on. Oh my gosh, Shiny Purrloin! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, Shiny Purrloin! Hold on. Oh, that's awesome! Hold on, I'm gonna throw a Premier Ball. Oh my gosh, Shiny Purrloin, yes, it's on my 2DS. I caught the sparkles, except you probably couldn't see them very well. This is after, oh, I caught it in a Premier Ball. Awesome. This is after 3,482. It looked different, like, it's just, Purrloin Shiny doesn't look too much different, so I really was unsure if it was shiny or not. But then it sparkled. Oh my gosh, Shiny Purrloin. Yes. Oh my gosh. Give a nickname. I'll give it a nickname later. I just want to get the video done. That's why I generally don't do nicknames. Oh, look at this. Focus it a little bit. Oh, this is awesome. I have to hold my 2DS because it's a 2DS. Alright, so my nature guess is gonna be quirky. Let me get some other nature guesses. Alright, so yesterday I got my shiny totodile. That's not up yet, or it'll be up by the time this is up. I couldn't upload it because I wasn't on my computer. Oh, that's awesome. Protects from paralysis. Oh my gosh. So my nature guess, hold on, let me get nature. I'm talking with Blue Mew. I was in a call with him, but then the call ended. I don't know why. He guesses rash. I guess quirky. It's naughty. I think that's. I don't know if that's good or not for a Purrloin. I haven't, or a Leopard. Haven't looked into it. Oh my gosh, yes. Alright, I'm gonna put it in the front and send it into a random encounter. Oh, this is freaking awesome. Normal, Venipede, normal, Patrat. Shiny Purrloin. Oh, that's awesome. I'm gonna do another random encounter. I'll do some single grass. Oh, that's awesome. Normal Sudowoodo. Holy crap, that's a high level Sudowoodo. Shiny Purrloin. And this was after 3,482 random encounters. Alright, one more random encounter then. I'll be done. Oh, I'm shaking. I got a normal Sudowoodo. Shiny Purrloin. Thank y'all for watching.